two companies linked to Kitui South Member of Parliament Rachel Kaki Nyamai were paid at least 24.2 million shillings to deliver medical supplies. One of these companies also had a mysterious agreement to supply 8 million bottles of hand sanitizer for 4.3 billion shillings. At the time, Nyamai was a sitting chair of the National Assembly's Health Committee. The two companies, Tira South Shore Holdings Limited and American Mine West Company Limited, appear to have had no history of dealing in hygiene or medical supplies. Yet, they were awarded 3 blanket purchase agreements, usually reserved for trusted vendors who provide recurring supplies such as newspapers and tea, or services such as office cleaning. But how is Tira South Shore linked to Rachel Nyamai? Follow this web closely. Abigail Mukeli, the co-owner of Tira South Shore and American Mine West, is Rachel Nyamai's niece, according to local sources and social media investigations. In a telephone interview, she denied this link.
What is your relationship to the MP for Kitui South, Rachel Nyamai?
Relationship?
Yes.
We are not related.
You're not related at all?
Yes.
Mukeli's mother, Domitila Nduku Mwinde, is Nyamai's elder sister. She co-owns Isfa Consultants Company Limited, which shares a PO box with Tira South Shore and Mematira Holdings Limited. Documents also show that a company called Isfa Consultants, a nearly identical name to the company Nyamai's sister co-owns, was originally registered to the MP, who was listed as a beneficial owner. Also, Mematira Holdings, which was opened in 2018, is co-owned by Nyamai's husband, Titus Mavui Ngumu, and their daughter. It is currently the majority shareholder of American Mine West. Mukeli says the companies are health consultants, but in addition to winning contracts to procure medical supplies, Tira and American also have active mining licenses in Kitui County, specifically in Nyamai's hometown. American also dabbles in roadworks and transports liquefied petroleum gas. It is unclear how these companies can qualify for contracts in so many industries, but they do follow a pattern. The leaked data reveals many companies winning public tenders don't actually produce anything. They're just middlemen for procurement and opportunities for corruption.